Hey everybody, Silverwolf here, and this is, well, a video that a lot of people have asked to see, and it is unboxing the Golden Furbling. The Golden Furbling was the final Furbling that you got in the Furby Boom app, and they released it as a toy. So this is going to be a video of me unboxing it. We don't have any shout-outs in this video, so I'll get on with it. To start with, the Golden Furbling is presented in this lovely shiny box. You can see it's really reflective and shiny all the way around. There isn't much writing on the box except on the front and the bottom. As you can see there, it's got a barcode and stuff on the bottom. Batteries included, it says there, and there's loads of small print. Again, it says batteries included at the bottom here, and it's got Furby Furblings written in a brightly coloured font. I haven't actually seen the Golden Furbling in real life, obviously, and I haven't watched any videos to do with it either, so it's completely new to me. So, we've got some scissors here, and we'll cut the tape off to have a look. Some tape there, and there's tape either side here as well. Just slice that off. Okay. Now we're ready to open the front and have a look at what he looks like. So, there he is, the Golden Furbling. Now, he's quite a bit different to the normal Furblings. He's obviously one colour, a solid colour, gold. He's got a metallic gold faceplate, and he's also got sparkly ears and feet. So, it lifts out, I think. It's like this. There's a stuff underneath. Like a small print thing. It's in a variety of different languages, as you can see there. It's got Russian and Chinese and Polish, and I probably don't need to read it because I've no doubt it's about batteries and safety. So we've got another little piece of paper here, and that is just saying who it was manufactured by, Hasbro, and how to contact them in whatever country you may be living in at the time. Again, we don't really need that today. So, I think the whole thing lifts out. I can get it out at the back there. Slide it forward maybe. Yeah, it does. The whole thing just lifts out of the box like that. And there you have him by himself on his little cardboard stand. There's another thing here. Furby Furbling. Again, it's in a variety of different languages, and this one tells you how to replace his batteries. It takes 3 button cells, and they interact with Furby as we know. Furby sold separately, of course, batteries included with the Furbling. And you can download the app on the App Store, and it's just in a myriad of different languages. And it also tells you kind of how to play the Furby Boom app there as well. So, we have our little chap here, and he has been tied in kind of like a raffia style twine. It's not plastic, it's paper, and it's tied in either side. I'll find the end of this one. There we go. Take that off the bottom there. And he should lift off. There we go. So the packaging is easy to get off him. So now we've got our little Furbling without his packaging. And whoops. We've got the tab at the back here. Remove before play, because if you don't, he won't say anything. Pull that out. It's just to keep the battery and the contact separate so the battery doesn't flatten itself while it's in storage. So it's quite useful. He's got a massive label stuck out the back for some reason. I don't think my other Furbies had that. My Furblings, their labels I'm pretty sure are on the bottom. I do not remember them having this sticking out the back. So I will cut that off, as I've done with my Furby Connects as well. It's a bit, I always think it's silly when you've got a small toy and they put a massive huge label on the back. It kind of spoils it a bit really, because it's just stuck out there. It's as long as his tail. In fact, it's actually slightly longer than his tail. His tail end is there, So yeah, it's like he's got two tails. So let's have a look up close. He's got little sparkly ears here. Get the camera to focus on him. There we go. He's got little sparkles, as you can see, on his ears. They are semi-transparent or translucent. And his little feet have also got sparkles on them. He's very sparkly. It would be nice, I think, if his fur was also sparkly as well, but I guess that would have cost more, so, you know, but at least his ears are sparkly. And he's got, like I said, this metallic faceplate and the little eyes that open and close as well. See if he says anything different to the normal Furblings. That was his tummy rumbling, not him farting. His sounds are pretty similar to the other Furblings, actually. He has said a couple of things that are definitely the same as the other Furblings, so I'm guessing they will have put the same voice chip inside him. But my other Furblings, I've got 4 of them now, and 2 of them the batteries have run out on. It's only my rainbow Furbling that's batteries still work, so I'll have to get them some more, I guess, at some point. So that's the little golden Furbling. He's really cute and he makes a great addition to my collection. I also like how the box was presented as well, and also the little sparkles and special things they've added to him to make him look shiny. So, I hope you've enjoyed watching, and this is Silverwolf signing off. As always, don't forget to click any of the boxes that come up underneath if you want to see some more unboxing videos or Furby videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!